my battery's dying. It's okay. This lighting's not that flattering, but we are here. You don't have it on camera?
Hello.
We are in San Marcos.
I don't know. We're like north.
Yeah, San Marcos. I don't know if you can see on my watch. Here we go, San Marcos. And we're in the trailer. The trailer is really nice. We came because Maggie's and Chris and Maggie's nephew is in a band, and they're performing like nationwide. This lighting's complete rubbish, but it's okay. Nationwide, and so we came to support. However, that he's performing in San Antonio, and the tickets are pretty expensive, so I'm not gonna go. We're not gonna go in there, but we're gonna support him when, like, spiritly, we're gonna be there. Spiritly. This lighting's so much better. But anyways, yeah. So tomorrow we're gonna go to San Antonio.
We're in San Antonio.
We're north of San Antonio. Excuse me, north of San Antonio. But we're gonna be like in the main center though, like main central San Antonio. Yeah. So cause like I never done all that stuff. So we're gonna go there. I think we're gonna go to the river. Do not look amused. He's just like San Antonio. Why? But yeah, so we're gonna do that, and we're gonna bring his little cousin named Julius along with us. So it's me, Chris, little Chris, Alex, and Julius. We're all going to San Antonio, do some tourist things for me because I've never been again, and yeah. Oh yeah, the river. Oh no, we're gonna go to the river today. Tomorrow, I thought. Like at night. Can you go at night? Oh. Well, oh, and then your cousin.
My cousin's performing tomorrow.
What's her name? No, the girl. Rihanna and her boyfriend are gonna come too, and then like his aunt and uncles. They're all coming. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun weekend because I put the FU on fun. And he's not playing. What's that one game he plays? Yeah, he's obsessed. My camera. Oh man. Okay. Okay.
Smack cam. Hello.
This is Julius. This is Chris's cousin.
Hello.
This is Alex. And this is Erica. We're in San Antonio. Look. Ooh, beautiful, no? Beautiful trees. And there's kids. So yeah, we're in San Antonio. There's Chris. But yeah, so we're just here.
So you're gonna come out?
It's my first time ever in San Antonio. But I really want to go to the river walk because it was on Miss Congeniality, my all-time favorite movie. You never seen Miss Congeniality with Sandra Bullock?
No. I'm not a 90s kid. We're not 90s kids.
That's the main reason why I really wanted to come. Look, isn't it pretty? It's so pretty. It's cool. Look, there's a little tunnel right there. So I'm back in the trailer. It was so bloody hot by the San Antonio river walk. That's hard. River walk. Like, we were so hot. I was sweating so much, and I'm wearing jeans because I didn't pack any shorts. So I'm like fabulous, And I was wearing my stupid Birks, and my Birkenstocks are so uncomfortable for me. But all the guys, Chris, little Chris, Julius, and Alex, they all went to the river. I was like, I'm gonna sit this one out because like my feet hurt, and I'm just like, I'm not feeling it right now. My feet hurt, But I want to show you guys my foot tan since I've been here. So because I'm from California, and it gets really hot, and I wear my sandals, but I have a bloody foot tan. Look at my tan. Do you see my bloody tan? Can you guys see it? You see that? I'm not like messing with you guys. You see it better like that. This tan all happened here, right in Texas. I'm just like baffled. Okay, I really can't see the screen, but I'm at a lake. And I'm not a lake person, to be honest, but I want to show you guys all the people here at the lake. Look at all those people here. And they're just floating away. But yeah, I just want to show you guys that. It's very different.